What if one of the most legendary luxury cars ever created returned in 2026? Not as a replica, but as a masterpiece reborn for the modern world. This is the 2026 Cadillac Model 30, a timeless icon reimagined with modern craftsmanship, cinematic presence, and next-generation luxury. Inspired by one of the earliest symbols of American prestige, this concept blends vintage elegance with futuristic sophistication in a way few cars dare to attempt. Today, we're diving deep into every detail, from the commanding exterior design to the handcrafted interior, and even imagining what could power this incredible machine in the modern era. So sit back, relax, and experience the rebirth of classic luxury. Let's begin. From the very first glance, the front of the 2026 Cadillac Model 30 commands attention unlike anything else on the road. The upright stance immediately delivers an unmistakable presence, bold, formal, and deeply luxurious. Unlike modern cars that chase aggressive sharpness, this design embraces elegance and authority through proportion and detail. At the center sits an enormous vertical grille finished in deep gloss black, surrounded by layers of polished chrome that shimmer under the light. It feels less like a car component and more like a piece of architectural art. Above the grille, the legendary Cadillac crest proudly takes its place beneath a refined hood ornament that stretches elegantly toward the horizon. It instantly connects this modern interpretation to Cadillac's earliest golden years. The headlights maintain their classic circular shape, but now feature advanced LED illumination hidden beneath crystal-clear lenses. During the day, they appear vintage and sophisticated. At night, they transform into glowing rings of precision and modern technology. Every angle feels intentional. Every detail tells a story. From the side, the Cadillac Model 30 reveals proportions that modern automotive design has almost forgotten. The hood is incredibly long. The cabin stands upright with dignity, and the sweeping fenders flow gracefully over the wheels, like sculpture in motion. This is classic luxury in its purest form. The metallic gray finish gives the body an almost liquid appearance under sunlight, reflecting the surrounding architecture with incredible depth and richness. Every curve catches light differently, making the car feel alive even while standing still. One of the most striking elements is the side-mounted spare wheel, integrated seamlessly into the bodywork. It instantly reinforces the car's heritage while adding an unmistakable visual signature. At the rear, the design continues its celebration of Cadillac heritage with stunning attention to detail. The rear-mounted spare wheel integrated into the luggage compartment immediately becomes the centerpiece. It captures the spirit of classic touring automobiles while giving the car a strong and memorable identity from behind. Beneath it, the elegant Cadillac script stretches across the rear panel in polished lettering, subtle, refined, and unmistakably premium. The circular taillights glow with a warm, modern illumination while preserving their vintage-inspired appearance. They feel retro without looking outdated. The rear bumper is wide, clean, and heavily detailed in chrome, reinforcing the car's luxurious character. Beneath it, dual exhaust outlets hint that this elegant machine still possesses modern performance beneath its classic skin. What makes the rear especially beautiful is its balance. Nothing competes for attention. Every detail works together harmoniously. It feels graceful, sophisticated, and incredibly expensive. Exactly what a modern Cadillac flagship inspired by the past should be. Step inside the 2026 Cadillac Model 30, and you enter a completely different world. A world where craftsmanship matters more than screens, where materials feel authentic, and where luxury is defined by artistry rather than technology overload. The dashboard is covered in rich, polished wood, stretching elegantly across the cabin like fine furniture handcrafted by master artisans. Embedded within it are classic analog gauges with intricate detailing and metallic trim that glow beautifully under ambient lighting. The steering wheel features a thin wooden rim paired with polished metal spokes, delivering an authentic vintage driving experience rarely seen today. The tufted black leather seats look incredibly luxurious, combining comfort with old-world sophistication. The stitching patterns, soft cushioning, and deep seating position create an atmosphere more similar to a private luxury lounge than a modern automobile. From the driver's seat, the long hood extends dramatically forward, guided by the elegant hood ornament leading the way ahead. The original Cadillac Model 30 was revolutionary for its time. Powered by a four-cylinder engine producing roughly 30 to 40 horsepower, it represented innovation and engineering progress during the early days of the automobile industry. It also introduced one of the most important advancements in automotive history, the electric starter. At a time when most cars required dangerous hand cranking, Cadillac changed the industry forever by making vehicles easier and safer to operate. For a 2026 interpretation, however, this legendary machine would likely embrace a completely modern powertrain. A luxury hybrid system could combine silent electric cruising with smooth gasoline performance for effortless grand touring capability. Or Cadillac could go fully electric, transforming the Model 30 into an ultra-luxury EV focused on silence, refinement, and instant torque. Imagine this classic masterpiece gliding silently through city streets while preserving all the elegance and prestige of the original. That combination of heritage and future technology could make the 2026 Model 30 one of the most unique luxury vehicles ever imagined. Back in its original era, the Cadillac Model 30 represented premium automotive engineering and luxury. And if a modern interpretation like this ever became reality, it certainly wouldn't come cheap. Estimated pricing would likely start around $150,000 and could easily exceed $300,000 depending on customization, materials, and production exclusivity. This wouldn't be a mass-market vehicle. It would be a collector's car. A rolling piece of automotive art designed for enthusiasts, collectors, and luxury buyers who appreciate history as much as innovation. Most likely, Cadillac would introduce it as a heritage concept, limited production model, or ultra-exclusive flagship celebrating the company's legendary legacy. And honestly, that exclusivity only makes it more special. The 2026 Cadillac Model 30 is more than just a car. It's a tribute to the origins of luxury itself, a celebration of craftsmanship, elegance, and timeless automotive design brought into the modern age through imagination and innovation. It reminds us that true luxury is not about giant screens or aggressive styling. It's about presence, character, emotion, and history. So the question is, would you drive the 2026 Cadillac Model 30 every day, or would you preserve it as a collector's masterpiece? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this cinematic deep dive into automotive legends reborn, make sure to subscribe for more future concept reveals, luxury icons, and next-generation car experiences. Thanks for watching.